Hey guys, this is SoulRack333 with another custom review, and here I have finally my custom Transformers Studio Series Rise of the Beasts Optimus Prime, and this is with the DNA Designs upgrade kit. Not all of it, but the parts that I wanted, and then I finally again customize it, and Lilith is joining us. Young lady, what are you doing? Lilith. Lilith, come on. Did you get jealous that Ghosty had her video reach 1,800 views and your videos get nothing? Well, just wait till you become 19 years old. You're only 3 years old. So, finally repainted, and I only touched up the robot parts. So not a full repaint, but that's what I wanted. And no longer with that stupid truck kibble. Why they felt the need to overcomplicate that, I don't know. Someone behind the scenes should have said no. But here he is in his truck mode. And it's pretty cool. I'll transform him. Just do that. Do this. I'm still not a fan of the feet here. It's so... The toe articulation is so weak. I don't know if there's a way to fix that though. And unpack this. And why they painted gray plastic, I don't know. All of this should be red. This should be red. This blue piece that was painted red should have been red. So just the choices they made for this just make no sense. Bring these up. It is cool how they kept the traditional arm transformation. Bring these up. Lilith is sleeping behind the camera. I'll keep that there. And tuck these in. Rotate. Did something wrong here. Oh, there. This. I don't quite understand this. That looks like a fake grill, but it doesn't do anything. So, and then here he is in his robot mode with the alternate head that I gave him. And I lost the original head, so I don't know where that is. I was going to show this with the original head. Oh well. I think this came from the Combiner Wars Optimus Prime. And I like how it fits. It's more proportionate. And instead of this little gimpy thing with his tiny hand, yeah, there you go. Much better. And this is where DNA Design got lazy. And instead of, and they gave us two of the same pieces instead of giving us a mirror image. So remember, I swapped the sides here, but everything else is the same. Yeah, I looked at references, so I painted the back. So I took it apart as much as I could, masked some of the parts that I didn't want painted, spray painted it with a flat black, and then all the other pieces like the back, just, you know, brushed some flat black, and then dry brushed the whole thing with Vallejo silver. Hey, what are you doing? And I didn't feel like transforming this guy, so here they both are together. The Studio Series Bumblebee Optimus. Hey! With the Rise of the Beast Optimus. I did swap the head. This head looks so much better on this figure here. And I wanted to put this here, but it didn't fit. This would not transform. I would have to shave some parts. And I didn't want to do that. And I looked online to see if I can find a scrap. And they're not cheap. So unless I'm lucky and find one very cheap, I'll just keep it like this. There's things that I like about each figure. So I don't know. I still wish this is how he appeared in the first Michael Bay movie. Speaking of which, there's the, I think it's technically the Battle Blade Optimus Prime. I never liked the Studio Series Optimus Prime, so this is my Transformers the movie Optimus Prime on my shelf. I did eventually get the Studio Series one just so that I can combine it with the Jetfire figure, so that works out well. And then here's the Evasion Optimus Prime. Again, I kind of wish we had gotten this first, you know, but then once we saw this one, nope, I kind of want that. I don't know. It seemed like each version of Optimus Prime gets better and better, because I did like how he looked in the Last Night. Or not the Last Night, Age of Extinction. So I liked this version of Optimus. But when it's all said and done, this right there. And even though they don't appear at all together like this, I mean, that looks cool. fight my custom Blackout. Or the Studio Series Blackout. Or, oh boy, the Masterpiece Blackout. That is brutal. Oof. So, there he is, finally completed and repainted. The Studio Series Rise of the Beast Optimus. Now to deal with this distraction and to clean up. Hey, look at this. What are you doing? Clean up all this. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Lily. Look at this fluffy thing. Look at this fluffy thing. Look at those claws. Oh. Should have named you Ravage. Anyway, thanks for watching.